Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we are going to dive into the world of doxycycline, a very helpful antibiotic to fight various infections. Doxycycline is used to treat bacterial infections such as pneumonia, bronchitis, those affecting the skin or urinary tract, among others. It can even be prescribed to prevent malaria if you are planning a trip. And how does it work? It's magic. Doxycycline works by preventing bacteria from producing proteins, which stops their growth and reproduction. Simply put, it leaves them unable to do anything. Regarding the dosage, the most important thing is to strictly follow your doctor's instructions. It is usually started with a higher initial dose, such as 200 milligrams on the first day, and then switch to a maintenance dose of 100 milligrams daily. A word of advice: take it with a full glass of water and avoid lying down right after to prevent irritating your esophagus. Now let's talk about side effects. Some of the most common are nausea, diarrhea, and sun sensitivity. In very rare cases, it can cause more serious problems such as increased pressure inside the skull or liver damage. If you experience strong side effects, do not hesitate to consult your doctor. Some important warnings: if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, do not take doxycycline without first talking to your doctor. Protect your skin from the sun with a good sunscreen and avoid excessive sun exposure. And remember, medicines are not to be shared. To sum up, doxycycline is a very useful and effective antibiotic when taken responsibly. Always follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to possible side effects. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.